Back at it again with another solar video on the channel. What I want to talk to you about is some big news. All right, so if you have been on the edge, if you have been thinking about working with us but you just haven't quite pulled the trigger, maybe you've been watching our content, you're watching my videos, or maybe someone told you about us. Okay, now would be the perfect time to go head straight into this and attack 2022 like no other year before. Okay, 2022 is going to be a big year for solar, and I want that to be a massive year for you as well. Let me tell you a little bit about what we do in obviously, and give you context so you know exactly what you're going to be dealing with if you decide to work with us. My name is Ivan, and I own a solar growth marketing agency that specializes in solar growth and solar sales. We do exclusive lead generation specifically for solar. We don't work with any other industry, and appointment setting. So we have a fully trained in-house call center that will chase those leads that you don't want to go and chase, and schedule those right in your calendar. So whether you have the capability of, talking to people to schedule your own appointments, or you simply want appointments or people to sit down in front of or just talk to, right? We can do it all. So all you need to do is just schedule a free consultation down below, and I call it a success call because I believe that success will literally grow out of that call. Like beyond that, we will be able to determine whether or not we're actually a good fit and we can help you. Okay, it's not a sales pitch. We genuinely want to find out if you're going to get value out of working with us, and for some people it doesn't work, right? And we'll let them know head straight. Like we don't try and impose our beliefs, or we don't try and work with people that we know for sure we cannot help. I pride myself in being very diligent when it comes to our entire process and explaining to people exactly what it entails, so they know 100% what's going to happen from when they start and each and every single step of the way that they need to take in order to get to their final destination. All right, we've taken people from literally like a one-man show or a couple of guys to growing their teams to over 20 salespeople and selling over the phone. We've also we had a massive opportunity to help people transition from door to door, to selling remotely, right? We were able to give them a lot of leads and appointments to close over the phone and over Zoom, depending on how you're selling. But in 2022, the opportunity is going to become even greater to actually sell remotely, and it's never been easier to sell in multiple states at the same time. So don't miss this short window of opportunity, and make sure you actually take the New Year's special that we have, and that is 50% off for all people to sign up until the end of January. This is only valid till the end of January. But if you're obviously looking to grow your solar company, or your solar sales company, then we can help you. And again, if we are able to help you, we'll let you know. And if not, we'll part ways as friends. All right? I look forward to seeing you and talking to you and seeing how we can help your business. And until next time, appreciate you so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again on the next video.